Hindi nga yan eh.
Tagal!
Hindi lang.
Petra na.
Storya ng pag-ibig na wagas. Storya ng pagtataksil at pang-aahas. May ginawang panakip butas. May happy ending ang wakas. Damdaming malambot at matigas. Sa live drama, pwede nang ilabas. Tutulo na at tatagas ang mga katas ng nakalipas.
Katas ng nakalipas.
Dear Angkol, Dagol,
And Tita, Tanya, Chinita. Babalik na po ng Amerika ang jowa kong retired US Army. Sana all. Feel good morning, call and tits. Tawagin nyo na lang po akong Shane. Isa po akong waitress sa isang resort sa Olongapo. Signal mom po ako. At matapos masawi sa pag-ibig ay nagbakasyon nga po ako sa Olongapo nung time na yun. Doon po ako tumira sa tiyahin ko. At pinasok niya nga po ako bilang waitress sa isang resort doon. Daming afam doon. Teka lang, alis na ako, Col.
bakit?
Daming afam doon. Nung una na-overwhelm ako dahil ang dami talaga nagkakagusto. Sige, Col, dyan na kayo mag-drama.
Tapusin mo muna
Ay,
to.
Dami nakagusto sa akin, pero namili po ako. At nakilala ko si George Ton. Isang retired American Army, US Army. Mas pinili niyang manatili dito sa Pinas. Matanda na siya, kaya matanda na siya at mabait. Kaya nalungkot ako kasi pabalik na siya kasi lagi akong binibigyan ng allowance. Well, dyan na kayo ah.
Basahan ka na naman. Allowance yan. Di pa nga tapos.
At kahit walang bembang, okay lang siya kasi nga matanda na siya. Kaya jackpot ako. At isang araw, ito na nga, nagsimulang tumagas.
Ang mga katas ng aking nakalipas.
Why? How? When? Where?
I have to go back to America.
Why? You said that already. But why?
My son and daughter, they want me to go back there.
Are you going to die already?
No! Simba ko! Pero so,
How about
no,
me?
I'm,
How about me? How am I going?
they want me thorough check up.
Oh, we have hospital here. We have like a center, health center.
What?
Why? Are you doubting? Health
Yes!
center.
I have BHW.
What?
BHW.
What's
It's
that?
barangay health worker.
Yeah. But it's free here.
No, I am really sorry, but I have to go back to America because I have to go back there.
But I need you here. Are we going? Maybe you don't wanna communicate me when you settle down there.
I cannot
Are
say
you going?
that.
Are you returning? Or shall you turn? Or
I
you
shall return to America.
You promise?
But here, I don't know. I'm already old.
How to come in and get me.
Maybe if I'm still alive.
Are you going to die?
Staying alive. You sing, I sing.
Okay.
You have been 3, I have been 3.
Okay, but how am I supposed to live without you? Darling, how am I supposed to live without you?
If you don't know me by now. I will go back. I'm sorry, but I will surely miss you. Shane, you take care of yourself here.
But I love you. Don't
I'm
you
too
want-
old. I'm too old.
don't you
You're
wanna
still young. You're still yummy and young. You can look for me, no?
But I want that you. I want that you.
I cannot do me.
I want you that. The one.
I can do this, but you have to that. Oh, I
I
have
want
to go
that
back.
you to be that you.
I know that. Me that.
You cannot understand.
I cannot do that. Understand this.
But you have to do me.
I'm too old for that.
How do I?
Me?
How do I?
How do you? You. Goodbye.
How
Shane.
about my allowance?
The allowance will die too.
No. But you promise. Whatever it takes.
I am sorry, Shane, but
No,
you're
George,
young. You're young.
don't.
There are a lot of apam here you can look for.
George, don't please don't leave me. I need you. You told me you love me.
I'm
And this
old,
is
I'm old.
true. And this is true. I can accept you. I will wait for you.
I'm already old, okay?
I love
Bye-bye.
you. George, son. What the hell? That's what happened. Georgetown left me. And all the promises has been compromised. But what can I do? I'm just a girl from OLONGAPO. Maybe he's right. There's a lot of fish in the sea.
Mars, huwag ka mag-sing.
And I know I'm amazing and wonderful and a beautiful girl. And I know I can market myself to another APAM. I'm a marketing major. Let's go to the next scene.
What?
Yeah, I'm single.
Well, that's good to know. By the way, my name is Brandon.
Yeah, I know, Brandon. So you're asking if I'm single. I'm very much single. And the last time I had my relationship is 7 years ago.
Mars, sa mga sinungaling mo, Mars! Ganon na kayo!
Stop.
Oh, that's... I think that's kind of too long.
Yeah.
But
That's why I'm like this.
what's that?
No space.
No space?
No space, yeah. No space for it's tight.
Oh, you're
Can you
very tight.
you can't enter.
I like that. But anyway, you know what? I really like you. Shane, right?
Really, like can you
Yes, you're not
can you
like-
elaborate? Like
you're not-
me, want to marry me, want to be girlfriend, or just like me as a person?
Yeah, I like you as a person because you're not like anybody else. You just approach me, then they have to ask for my name and number. I don't like that. I want that. I want to approach first the girl.
Yeah, so,
And I'm thankful to your friend because she introduced me to you.
yeah, so,
No problem, Brandon.
okay, maybe,
Maybe after your shift here, we can go somewhere else, somewhere cozy.
sure, no problem.
You like that?
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Come on in.
Shane, ako ba si Shane? Brandon, I'm kinda shy and nervous because this is my first time. So,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
So,
Don't worry.
like I told you, I have not been in a relationship for that long. So, I don't know
No
how
need
to
to worry.
act.
No
I'm
need to
shy.
Just stay calm. Just relax. Sit tight, okay?
Just sitting, no laying down.
Oh, well, we can also use that.
But I want the standing position first. You have
Alright.
a problem in your throat?
Oh, no. I'm just shy too. Okay, if you don't mind, let's begin.
Okay.
Okay. Wait. I thought this is your first time.
Yeah, but you said let's begin, and I don't want to waste time.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's begin again.
Call and tits! Inaamin ko po na in love agad ako kay Brandon. Sabi niya naman, you will marry me and you will bring me to America?
Yes, I'm gonna marry you.
Really? You promise?
I
Pinky
promise.
promise?
Yes.
You don't break your promise?
I don't break any
Okay.
promises.
Okay. Where's the ring?
To follow.
Okay.
Okay.
I love you, Brandon.
I love you too, Shane.
I love you.
I'm here. I'm gonna bring you to the U.S. Okay?
Yes.
to feel what I said I would.
Isang gabi, iniintay ko po siya tuwing yung oras na lagi siya nagpupunta. Pero, isang linggo hindi na po siya pumupunta. At kinabukasan, Brandon, I'm happy that you called. So I have a contact in the DepEd. They're fixing my visa.
Shane, I have to tell you something.
What is it? You're arranging my tickets?
I'm really sorry, but I didn't contact you for about a week.
Where are you now? Where are you now?
I'm already in the States.
Are you joking? But you said you.
There was a problem, I'm being deployed to another assignment, and I don't know where.
But why you didn't tell me? I'm your girlfriend.
It's an emergency.
But I'm your girlfriend.
I know, and that is why I called you. That is why I want to ask for an apology.
But what is the plan? Because I'm waiting for you. I'm not bad. I'm just sad because I'm supposed to be the one.
I know.
Let's go.
Mars, di na kaya, Mars. Tumutugo rin yung tenga mo, Mars.
I'm really sorry, but I think just don't wait for me.
But because no, I will wait for you. You said you'll marry me. You have proposed already, right?
I know.
Don't do this to me, Brandon, because I love you so much and I want to marry you. You told me you want to marry me.
I think this is goodbye, Shane.
Brandon, no, I'm broken-hearted now. Please don't do this to me.
Goodbye, Shane.
Brandon!
Goodbye, Philippines.
Brandon!